Oh, the unboxing of the Canon PowerShot SX1 IS from newegg.com. See what's inside. Okay, what's this? Limited warranty. Software disc. Manual, English and Espanol. Another guide, software guide. This is weird here. The batteries flew open. I don't know how that happened. Make sure they're in good shape. Neck strap, lens hood, remote with the little battery, USB connector cable, and standard audio video out. Put the batteries in and see what happens. Can't even tell which one goes which way. What the hell? Oh, here's a little guide. Shows right up there. Shows you how to put the batteries in. It's asking me to set the date and time. Take off the lens cap. "20 times optical zoom, full HD videos, pop-up flash, 2.8 inch 16:9 screen, 16:9 viewfinder," and that's gonna wrap it up for the unboxing.